Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm here to show you how Rev transforms one of the most time-consuming parts of your legal practice, capturing and transcribing evidence from multiple sources. This is the first video in our 4-part series on using Rev and AI across the entire evidence review lifecycle. Let me show you how Rev handles every type of evidence that comes your way. Here in Rev, I'm starting work on a new case. First, I can directly upload files. Audio files like MP3s, WAV files, and video evidence like MP4s, Rev supports dozens of file formats. So if you have evidence in a file format, Rev likely supports it. Let's start by dragging in 2 different body cam videos. So I'm going to drag and drop. I'm going to click upload. Those are going to upload right away. It'll take just a few seconds. And then Rev is automatically going to start transcribing those immediately, which is great. So you'll see that my files are being transcribed. I can start an additional order, like say I have additional evidence that I want to upload right now, or I can go to the file and see those. Let's go to the file. Here I can see the status, so I know that my files are in progress of being transcribed with AI, but not quite done yet. This will change to complete when it's ready. Okay, let's head back home. Another way to upload files that I think is really great is through Rev's integrations with Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and a couple others. So let's try that. So let's click Browse Files, and you can see here on the right these integrations. Let's pick Google Drive. From here, I can just select what I would like to upload. You don't need to download and re-upload it. I can select those. I can upload them, and just like before, Rev will immediately start uploading those files and then start AI transcriptions. Like my previous files, I again have the option to start an additional order or go to the file. I'm just going to X out of this. The other thing I want to note is that Rev doesn't only work with audio and video files, Rev also takes text files. So let's head over to our Google Drive integration again, and let's upload this PDF. Super easy, super quick. It's showing it right here. It's already in my files. No transcription needed, so no status over here. That means that all of our files, video, audio, text, PDF, can all be in one place. It's a real game changer. So Rev doesn't just handle uploads of audio and video and text. You can also record directly in Rev. So over in the top right-hand corner, let's click record. Click record again, and it's going to show you a live transcript of what you're talking about. This is great if you want to catch a conversation with a colleague that you're having at your desk, or maybe you want to dictate notes to yourself while you're in the office. Once you're finished, you can click finish and save. And just like before, it's going to upload that file that you just created, and it's going to immediately start an AI transcription. So let's go to my files and check it out. You can see here that the Rev web recording has been completed. That's not the only way that you can record with Rev. You can also record with Rev using the Rev mobile app. Just like the desktop recorder, it's super easy to use. Click record. Again, it's going to show you a live transcript, so you know what's happening and what's being recorded. This is really great if you need to dictate notes to yourself on the fly, or maybe you want to dictate notes while you're doing a crime scene walkthrough or talk with somebody on location. Once I'm finished, I can click Stop Save, Save and Transcribe, confirm my order, and then just like everything else we've been doing, it's going to upload that file and immediately start an AI transcription. What you just saw is how Rev captures evidence from everywhere it lives, uploaded files, live recordings, cloud storage, and turns it all into searchable transcripts in one secure workspace. In our next video, I'll show you how Rev Insights helps you uncover contradictions and discrepancies across all these transcribed documents. Continue the series to see how Rev analyzes evidence across your entire case. See you next time.